Alabama law prohibits anyone from boating under the influence. That is, operating any boat, sailboat, personal watercraft, water skis, or any other marine device while under the influence of alcohol or any combination of alcohol or drugs. Marine law enforcement may stop your vessel anytime they want. If they think you've been drinking, you're required by law to submit to a field breath test. If you don't, you'll lose your boating license. It's as serious as a DUI on the road. For first offense, you can face up to a 90-day suspension of your boating license, a $2,100 fine, and up to a year in jail. The fine rises substantially with the second offense and requires a mandatory 5-day jail term. A third offense will put you in jail for no less than 60 days, and it gets much worse after that. Don't put yourself in that position. If you're taking the boat out this summer, you might want to leave the alcohol at home. That's your legal brief for tonight. I'm criminal defense attorney John Beck. Back to you.